The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation in the Donetsk direction. The EU group of forces, operational tactical aviation and artillery have eliminated up to 2 armored personnel carriers, 1 tank, 4 armored fighting vehicles, 2 motor vehicles and 1 D-30 howitzer over the past 24 hours. In these directions, the enemy has lost up to 410 Ukrainian troops and mercenaries during the day. In the South Donetsk and Zaporozhye directions, aviation and artillery of the Vostok group of forces inflicted a fire damage on the Ukrainian units close to Nikolskoye and Novopol in Donetsk People's Republic. Also during the day, actions of 3 Ukrainian sabotage and reconnaissance groups were foiled close to Vladimirovka, Mirnoye and Nikolskoye. During the day in these directions, the enemy lost up to 30 Ukrainian troops, 1 armored vehicle, 2 pickup trucks and 2 ammunition depots of the Ukrainian Armed Forces units near Novomikhailivka in Donetsk People's Republic and Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region. In the Kherson direction, up to 20 Ukrainian troops, 2 motor vehicles and 1 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer have been destroyed over the past 24 hours. In total, 406 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,673 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,545 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,078 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,504 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 9,302 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, Armed Forces of Ukraine, in a statement said Russia lost 550 servicemen in a single day, including 2 tanks, 6 armored fighting vehicles as well as 10 artillery units and 6 drones. In total, Kremlin lost 176,249 servicemen during the conflict, including 3,629 tanks, 7,005 armored fighting vehicles as well as 306 jet fighters, 291 helicopters, and 2,283 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 406 days. There is still no peace agreements between 2 sides. Ukrainian side also shows footage of Avenger air defense missile system. Commander of the United Forces of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Lieutenant General Serinayev said Avenger anti-aircraft missile complexes are already on combat duty in the northern operational zone. They are capable of providing short-range mobile air defense for civil infrastructure facilities, units of the security sector and defense against cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles, airplanes and helicopters at low altitudes. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky paid a visit to Poland, examined the samples of military equipment that Poland plans to transfer to Ukraine. The more military aid comes to Ukraine, the faster the situation in Bakhmut and other areas of the front will change, Zelensky said in an official video statement.
Terima kasih sudah nonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya!